Have you guys ever had a problem where your hotel air conditioning won't come on because it has secret programming? You turn the thermostat down, but it won't come back on because they're trying to save energy. Here's an easy cheat to make that work. We go over here to our thermostat. It's set to 58, but it's way, way warmer than 58 in here. So here is the trick. We go over here to the hair dryer, which conveniently is just long enough for us to come over here. Here's our thermostat. We turn our hair dryer to on. Not enough yet, a little more. And like magic, wow, look, it's back on. It's even blowing the curtain everywhere. Can you imagine that? Yeah, a lot of these hotels have an energy savings setting hidden in the program that you can't access. But with that little simple hack, you come back over here. Thursday hasn't changed. Oh, the numbers are a little hard to read down. That might have got a little too warm, but either way, the air is on. I am now cool and comfortable. Hope this helps.